Hello guys, welcome to another video. I put already my fishing rod here fishing. I hope you guys enjoy these small videos that I make. Fish jumping already. Let's go fishing. Here we are guys, let's try to see if we catch something here. It's my first time here. I never came here before. I have the rod here with the worm, my white rod here. It's bouncing a little bit, but I think it's the current over there. The river is more full than usual. Excuse me. Oh, the motorbike is going fast. No, the rocks. Okay guys, let's try something else. I'm gonna try here with some jig. I'm gonna try to some jig. Normally I'm lucky with that. We'll see. Because I tried the dark one and this one, and I didn't got anything. Now I'm gonna try to do some jigging with where's the hooks? I put the hooks here before. Yeah, I'm gonna do some hooks here. I'm gonna prepare this guys, then we're gonna go jig a little bit. I'm here preparing this to jig, and this rod just start, you give a little touch. Let's see. It has something, or a piece of wood or something. It's heavy. Something there. A small thing, but something there. Rock bass? Yeah. Rock bass. Look at these guys. Fat, huh? What the hell I did here? Okay. Small rock bass. Opa. Wait, buddy, wait. I don't want to hurt you. Wait. Oh my God, you really swallowed this thing. Why you swallow this thing so much? Where do I have the... Here. My God, I don't like when you swell like that. I hope you're gonna be okay. Okay, you're gonna be okay. Nice perch. Crabe de roche, not perch. Crabe de roche, they call it. These spikes here, they very pretty actually, and fat. Okay, let's put her back. Close your mouth, go. There she goes. She's gonna be a little bit dizzy, but then she's gonna go. I didn't hurt her at all. She's gonna be okay. The worm is still good. Just fix it out. Just fix it a little bit here. Come on, she's not going. She's gonna go. Sooner or later, she's gonna go. Yeah, she's getting ready to go. Oh, here she goes. You see? She's there. She's gone. They always do that thing. Okay. Let's put it again there in the middle. I'm gonna try to. Don't touch that thing there. Let me see if I can go over there. Nice. Nice. I saw them jump there before. Let's see. Let it stay. Something biting here big. 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 Still there? No, it's not there. But it was something big, guys. The rod really... but the rod was really moving. It was something big. It was something big. It was something big. Let's go again. I'm going to put it in the same place. It was something big. Maybe a sturgeon or something. The worm in the top, I have to fix it a little bit. I do it this the simple way. I didn't even put nothing to... maybe it's because of that it didn't grab. It was something big, guys. Something big. Let's do it the same place again. Stay there. Push it a little bit tight. That's it. Where do I put the hook now? Now I don't know where I put the hook. I had it here somewhere. Okay, guys, that's the way I do it. I'm gonna put this here. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use here. I'm gonna try. Where's the other one? This one. Normally I catch, sometimes I catch something with this. Let's try it out. I think I have one there made, but forget it. Me, I do it like this, guys. I measure this so like this. You have to be careful with the rod here. Oh, it's a bird or something here. Move it forward, forward, forward. Then I push it here to the back. I measure this so here. So it goes like this here. Normally I leave it here in the middle, because when they bite, I push this a little bit more. See, like this. That's what I do normally. This here has a little bit of current. I put a little bit weight here, like a gram and a half, I think. 1.5, 2 grams. Now we try. You see? Let's see how it's jigging here. Oop. Another touch, this one. Another touch, let's see if she goes again. Big touch, huh? Big touch. Let's see if something is there. Nope. Was a big touch. Okay, I think this is too much weight, but I don't have the smaller weights here with me today. I forgot them at home. Let's try there. And keep an eye on that one there. It was nice, 2 touches there, big ones. But they didn't grab. I'm gonna wait a little bit, then I have to take it out to change the worm. It's a beautiful place here, actually. The weight is too big. Yeah, the weight is too big. I'm gonna try to take out the weight off to see how it works. I did it a simple way just to try it out, but the weight is too big, guys. And like this is not heavy enough, I think. It's gonna go to the bottom. Just have to wait a little bit longer. But it's giving us small touches, that rod there. You see, look. And I think it's there something. No, I think it's a small, yeah. It's dancing. Yeah, it's something there. Another crappe de roche. Normally, that's the ones that hit like that. Yeah, another one. I wanted the big one. Oh, it's a perch. This one is a perch. Always in the bottom hook. These ones, I feel bad for them because sometimes they swallow this so much with no need. This one is not actually bad. You're lucky. You're lucky. Go. It's still a little bit dizzy. I have to change the worm here. I didn't put the things here, I forgot. But it was on the bottom one where something big touched here. Let's change and put it again inside the water. But if something happens, we'll see. Nice. Nice cast. And I could do more, but I don't have space here to. Okay, let's see if the bottom one is a sturgeon that passes or something. Let's see if it's some bass here or not. Let's see. Just giving a little touch again, and it's somebody there in the kayak. Oh, it's stuck. Oh no, it's not. Somebody there fishing in a kayak. I thought it had something, it was moving, but I changed its place. The top hook, huh? The top hook is gone. It was stuck on the top hook. Push a little bit more inside. Here we go, guys. Do a tour here. Let me push this a little bit. Do a little walk. It's too much now. Here in the woods. In this park here. It's a beautiful place here. Oh, he has another place here to try. Nice place here to try also. Nice place here to try too. Nice, huh? I don't know if I should try here or not. I'm gonna continue walking to that side. Maybe I see something more. It's good because I'm gonna come and I'm gonna try it another day. You're so nice. So nice. Wow, beautiful place here, look. Can go walk there also. The river, the deeper part is on the other side there. I was here like almost 2 hours. Was not bad. Oh. Bonjour. A lot of people go to the other side fishing, and here also. It's a nice place here under this bridge. I'm gonna go here, just make a few casts. The water is high, and at the same time then I fix the rods to go home. Nobody here. Whew. Okay, that one I'm gonna use, the big one. We are here, guys, another spot here. Just close to the car, not far from the car. Let's see. Weeds, seaweeds. I lost a few ties here already. If I go much to the right here, dangerous. Hey guys. Hello guys. Ready? Like 30 minutes here. Not even a bite. Casting all over the place. Even with my secret weapon. This lure, guys, I bought it in the dollar store. That's the lure that I caught more fish. Even a pike I got with this. The video I have there on YouTube, the other video I post, it was with this lure that I caught the pike. And the same rod, actually. Here we go, guys. Finish another fishing day. See you guys on the next one. Now going to the car.